As it stands right now, Mike, after witnessing it with Eberflus being in the box more than anything, who should have had a more bird's eye view of overseeing of what was right and what was wrong,
Yeah.
it's just not good enough. Just not good enough. Like, I mean, I'm sure he's a nice guy and whatever and that, but in terms of the business of the NFL and
Yeah,
how the league can be very cutthroat, you're
it
gonna
is.
have you're gonna have to cut the weak part from the what's the saying? Eberflus, I'm sorry, has to go. He has to go. There's got to be a massive defensive overhaul in this football team. Massive.